Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I've had a few questions about logging into Microsoft Teams. Here's how you do it. So you go to the school website, go to the student tab, log into the Office 365 like you always do. So here I go, I'm logging in, enter in your password, just like you always do. And then you'll come to this. And remember, here's your Microsoft Word Online, here's your OneDrive, here's your Outlook, right? So the school's going to be asking you to check your email. So to check your school email, you hit Outlook. But over here is your Teams. You go ahead and click Teams, and you should get a bunch of tiles as soon as it logs in. Now, for me, these are all my sections for my classes, but for you, you would have different tiles. So you would have English, you would have math, you would have history, you would have biology, and you just click on the appropriate tile, and your classroom stuff for that class will be right here. Now, I don't really have anything on mine because I've told you guys we're going to go through Canvas, but your other teachers may have stuff on there. So starting tomorrow, please check your school email and please also check Teams. Your teachers more than likely have something on there for you, either something on there or directing you to go somewhere else like I did. Okay? If you have any questions, just go ahead and inbox me. Have a good night.